Please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm up in the 1988 Major League Baseball score. Or this is most likely his cards. There it is. We'll take one of those cards. Package. Let's see what kind of. He had a good career. This guy, wow, crazy guy. A couple years him going crazy. George Brett, Hall of Famer. Sam Horn. Larry Streets. I got a little. Al, Don. Jim Moore. Jimmy Carter. Remember this guy. Spike Owen. Always like this name. Actually, his real name is that's his real name actually. Guy's Ricky card. I'm gonna talk about that later on. Mike Moore. Oh, got tons of his cards. Don Robinson. Darryl Boston. I think he never played Boston. So that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe I'll do better next time. Bye.